Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to the a new tutorial where I will show you how to get the MongoDB URI. So here you can see that this is the MongoDB URI I am using in my project. So how to get this MongoDB URI so that you can connect to your MongoDB database and you can save your data, right? So go to the mongodb.com. So this is the official website of MongoDB, and here you can see that the get started button. So click on get started, right? So after you will redirect it to the get started page. So here you can like register, right? So here you can register with your email name, or you can sign up here through Google. So I have already created my account, so I will just log in with my Google. So I'll click on the Google. Creating your account, you will be redirected to the dashboard of MongoDB, right? So here you can see that this is the MongoDB dashboard where you will be redirected after register, or if you have already account you can sign in. So here you can see that here. So here you can create organization. So here I have a already organization, right? So I will just go and create the new project. So I will just click on this. So here you can see that all the project that I created. So here you can create a new project. So click on new project, and after that it will ask you for the project name. Suppose I am writing the project name is Becodewala, and after that this is the optional tags, so no need to write. So after that you can click on next, and after clicking on next you can see that add members or set permission. So uh, you can add new member, and invite will be sent to access this project, right? So but I am not going to invite anyone, so I'm just using my email, right? This is my email, and I am the project owner, so I'll just click on create project, and it will create the project. And after that it will tell you to create the cluster. So here you have to create your choose your cloud provider, region, and specification to create the cluster. So let's click on cluster, and here you can name, right? So here there are three options, like this is the paid one, first one, M10, so dedicated cluster for development environment and low traffic application. This we have a second one, so this is for development testing with on demand burst capacity for unpredictable traffic. So these two are paid. So first one is 10 GB storage, second one is 5 GB storage, but third one is 512 MB storage. So this the third one is free, so for learning exploring MongoDB cloud environment, right? So free forever. You free your cluster is ideal for experimenting in a limited sandbox. You can upgrade to production to cluster. So we are going to use free one. So you can use the free one for the learning purpose. And here you can choose your provider, right? Google Cloud, AWS, Azure. So I'm going to use AWS, and after that here below you can see that create deployment, and you can go for the advanced configuration if you need. So I'll just create deployment, click on this, and it will create your cluster. After creating your cluster you will get a username, right? This is the username, and this is the password, right? So copy this username and password and save it somewhere so that you can use whenever you need, right? So make sure to save this username password, right? And after that, if you have not saved this password you can also get it later. I will show you how to get if you have forgot the password, if you don't know the username. So I will show you that also. But before that, after this getting username password, see, create a database user. So after that I will create a database user. Click on the database user, so it is created the database user, and choose a connection method how we are going to connect. So driver, compass, shell, mongodb for VS Code. So I am going to use compass. So I will click on the compass, and here two options I have MongoDB Compass installed, and if you have not installed, so you can click I don't have MongoDB Compass installed, select the operating system and download MongoDB Compass. So here you can select the Mac OS and Windows 64 bit 10. So you can click on this and download the MongoDB Compass if you don't have. So I have already installed my MongoDB Compass. So let me show you. So this is the MongoDB Compass, right? So I have this application I have already installed. So here it help you to visualize, manage your database manually with a beautiful interface, right? So I you can we how to connect. So when you get your MongoDB URI, you have to paste your MongoDB URI, click on save and connect. So it will connect like this. So this suppose I have created this blog, right? So there in the blog you can see that all the data has been stored. So you can click on a plus icon and you can add your MongoDB URI. So where is your MongoDB URI? So this is our MongoDB URI. See, so here this is the MongoDB user name and this is the password. You can see that, and you can copy here, right? MongoDB URI, and you can go to MongoDB Compass and you can connect here for the interface. So here I will just connect and it will be connected to cluster MongoDB. So here you can see that it has been connected, and when you write your backend code, all the models will be visible here. So this how we have to get the MongoDB URI, right? And you can use it, and you can download the Compass for the better development, and it will help you to manage, delete from here only. You can add the new data from here, so that will be very helpful. So after that we will cut this. Suppose you forgot your password, so how to get the password, right? So here you can see that on the left side database access in the security. So you can click on database access and here you can see the edit, and you can delete this the new database. So you can click on edit and here you can see there the password. So edit, this is the like username, right? DB username and edit password. So click on edit password and you can create a new password. Otherwise you can auto generate if you have forgot the password, right? And after that you have to update the user so that the new password will be created. And here you can see the network access. So I see currently my IP address is this. This is my IP address. Suppose I go to somewhere the other location and tomorrow I'll come back. So I will not able to fetch the data from the MongoDB database, or I am not able to connect the MongoDB because when you change your location, your IP address will of your location has been changed. So we here what we have to do, click on add address, right? And you can click on allow access from anywhere, so that it will when you change your location also, then also your MongoDB database will be accessed. So you can click on confirm, and your you can see that it is pending and it will be active within a few of seconds. So let's wait for that. And this is the current IP address where I am. So if I change the location, so my database will not be able to access. So that's why I use this all, so it will can access from anywhere. So that's why I have added the 000. So this is from allow access from anywhere, and you can delete also if you want. So this how we can get your MongoDB URI. You can change the get the network access, where from where you can access, you can define the IP, and you can change the username, password and everything from here. So and you can also delete from here. So I have deleted the database. You can create a new database if you want. So this how we can get the MongoDB URI, and we can manage the password and network access. So we'll meet in next tutorial with a new amazing learning. So thank you.